Morning students, welcome to you in the third video of Moral Science, class 6, 7th, chapter number 7. Okay, so students, this chapter is related to a girl, Annie Frank, who used to write the diaries. Okay, so in this chapter I will tell you the benefits of having diary. Yes, students, you know the benefits of writing diaries. Diary is an essential part of our life through which we can, we can contain our bad memories, good memories for the past record or for the future references. So we should write our good or bad experience in the diary. Okay, I'm not telling you to maintain diary as a professional, but it is, in your syllabus, in your grammar syllabus, you have diary writing portion also. In diary writing is a form of expression through which you can express your good or bad experiences. Okay, so we will start this chapter, keeping a diary. This chapter is has been taken from Annie Frank's diaries note, but it revealed us the problems, the troubles which the people of that time faces due to Hitler. Hitler's anti-Jewish law, in which all the Jewish were being ill-treated and they are not getting the full facility of the society at that time. Okay. So students, as we know that all in our family, however, suffered from Hitler anti-Jewish law. It is the words of Annie Frank, and these are the wordings of Annie Frank's diaries. So life was filled with anxiety. Anxiety means full of sorrows, full of worries, full of sadness. In 1938, Annie's two uncles escaped to the USA. वो USA से escape कर रहे हैं. मतलब from Hitler's concentration camp, they escaped to USA. After May 1940, good times rapidly fled. Means the good times of Annie's life has been removed. Anti-Jewish law followed each other in quick succession, or the laws, the rules and regulations of anti-Jewish law were fulfilled in human's life with fully succession. Jews must hand in their bicycle. They are supposed to ride their bicycles. They are not allowed to use buses and are forbidden to drive. Okay, Jews are only allowed to do their shopping between 3 to 5 o'clock and indoors by 8 o'clock. It means they are not supposed to roam outside the houses after 8 o'clock. They are only allowed to have their daily essentials, daily supplies from 3 to 5. They can purchase each and everything from 3 to 5. Okay. So Jews are forbidden to visit places of entertainment. They are not supposed to use the public places, the public entertainment places, the playgrounds, and many things which are mean to entertainment. They are not allowed to visit such places. They must go to Jewish schools, and they are allowed to use only Jewish school for their study purpose and for their further studies. So Annie's family could not do this and were forbidden to do that. But life went on in spite of it all. It means any kind of problem, any kind of circumstances cannot, stop the life speed. Okay. So life is going on, life will going on, life was going on smoothly on their paces. Our freedom was strictly limited. Their freedom means any family's freedoms were strictly limited, yet things were still bearable. It means they can easily bear the things. They cannot deny to bear such kind of things. The above are the excerpt from the books. These things which I told you are the notes from Annie's diary, the diary of Annie Frank. These are the things which the writer has been taken from Annie Frank's diary. Annie Frank was a Jewish girl who lived in Holland during the Second World War. During the Second World War, she was in Holland with his family. This 13-year-old girl witnessed the war. She has seen the war closely, and she saw German troops taking over Holland and how under Hitler's rules, affected the people's life on that time. Hitler's rule, the Germans tortured. They used to torture German peoples and ill-treated Jewish peoples. Some of the Jewish families fled from Holland, while others who could not escape or not able to escape, they found a safe hideout around that area. Annie's family consisted of her father, mother and elder sister and Annie herself. These are the family members of Annie's family. Okay, there are such people in Annie's family. Annie's family, along with another Jewish family of 3, found a safe hideout in their office attic. Annie's family, along with another Jewish family and one more family, one more family of three members, they used to hide. They used to hide in their office attics. Attic is a place basically used to store the things under the roofs. Okay. Annie's family. It was during those 2 years. It was during those 2 years that Annie spent in that attic. She used to hide there. She used to hide there to hide there from Germans and Hitlers, hidden away from the world. It means she did not appear in front of the world, and she used to hide there. She wrote her daily diary, which was a painful account of each passing day. It means what the problems which she faced during that hideout. She used to write each and everything in her diary. This was the account of such painful days. This diary was gifted to Annie by her parents. It means her father her father has given her such diary. In those lonely hours when Annie has nothing to do, she used to write their cruel experiences, their sad experiences in this diary. So students, this is the thing that she used to face. Diary was her best friend. In lonely times, diary was her best friend. She noted all her thoughts and feelings which came in her mind and how her family lived through these difficult times in that diary. She noted each and everything in this diary, how her family able to survive, how her family used to do the things to fulfill their values, what kind of things, what kind of problems which her family faced. She wrote each and everything in that diary. After spending 2 years in such hideout, that attic hideout, she and her family were taken prisoner and sent to concentration camp. You know concentration camp? Concentration camp is a place where numbers of people were being prisoner. Someone gave away their address to the German. You know how German came to know that they are hiding somewhere in Poland. Someone has given hint to Germans that one family or two Jewish family is hiding in that attic. So German people come, German forces come, and they were being kept prisoner from there. Annie could not write her diary after they were arrested. It is not possible for Annie to write the experiences which she was faced in the prison or being arrested. But her diary remained in her belongings. She died of typhoid in the camp of Germany. In Germany, when she was being arrested, she was suffering with typhoid, and she died of such disease. Her father was the only survivor of their family. The only member of her family was his father, and he later recovered her diary and published it as the diary of Annie Frank. He published it by naming the diary as the diary of Annie Frank. So though Annie died young, but she continued to live through her diary. So in such a way, she died with that disease, but she lives in our heart through her diary. We can know about Annie through her diary. We can know what she has done, what kind of problem she had faced, what was German did with her. We can know each and everything through her diary. So if we don't have that particular diary, so we are not able to know anything about Annie. So it is just because of Annie's diary. So students, it is the end of this chapter, and I think only one chapter is remain for discussion or explanation. That will be explained in the next video. Okay. So the exercises of this chapter, like this true, false, and read and rewrite, correct and rewrite, that will be done by you in your peer notebook. Okay. And the question answer will be given to you soon from this chapter. Okay. And there are some words to write. I will dictate the word also, and you are supposed to write these words from the board properly and write it in your peer notebook. Okay. So first, suffered, that is SURRED. Suffered means to experience something. Experience something unpleasant. Number two, anxiety. A feeling of worry or fear. To keep free of something. That is the meaning of escape. Number 4, succession. 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 Which means a number of people, or things that follow each other in time or order. Number 5, band. BANNED. Band means not allowed. Okay. So these are 5 meanings. Forbidden means do not allow something strictly. In a strict way. In a strict way. Bearable. Short piece taken from any diary, any book, any essay. It may be taken from anywhere. Okay. So now next, number 10, witnessed. To see something happen. To see something happen. Number 11, quarter. One of 4. Orchard. Number 14, write out. It is a hidden place. A hidden place. Number 15, concentration. A large amount of people, a large amount of people in one place. In one place. 16, belongings. The things that you own. The things that you own. Survival. A person or things, or person or thing that survive. That survive. It's called survival. Okay, students. So these are words, difficult words, which I have written on the board with their meaning. Okay. So students, it is for chapter number 8 for your syllabus, and one more chapter is remain. It will be explained in the next video. And students, what you have to do at home, that is only think and discuss. Any friend lived in the attic for 2 years hidden away from the world. Discuss and write your own feelings if you were to live a life. If you were on any place, so what would you do in these 2 years hideout? So write your views in, not in fair notebook, but you have to try to keep yourself at any place, and what kind of problems you had faced, you have to write it. Write your own feelings in place of on these suggestions, make a diary entry for each day. Write the date and time. Start with the morning as to when you woke up and what you did after that. Talk about whether your feelings, your actions throughout the day. Mention anything unusual that happened during the day. And as you near to bedtime, when you are supposed to go to sleep, write whether your day was happy, boring, tiring, or uninteresting. What kind of day you have faced. You have to write all your experiences, all your things in a diary. Okay. So this activity you are supposed to write in your fair notebook. That will be checked when your copies will be submitted. This activity will be checked. It is on page 27. In activity corner, you are supposed to write the diary entry for each day. Not for each day, only one day. Okay. You have to mention the particular day and date, and when your day was started, from morning and to go to bedtime, what kind of things you have faced, you have to write it in your diary entry. Okay, students. So stay home, stay safe.